So that completes the rules of Texas Hold'em gameplay, and here is a summary. So each player is dealt 2 cards from a shuffled 52 card deck of playing cards. Each player is forced to bet a small or big blind pre-flop. One player has possession of the dealer button each hand. They post the small blind. The other player posts the big blind. The dealer button switches possession each hand. So there are a maximum of 4 rounds of play during one hand. There's pre-flop, which there's no community cards, the flop, and when 3 community cards come, the turn is 1 community card, and the river is 1 more, for a total of 5 community cards. So the maximum bet each round is limited to 4 times the bet size, and you can only bet the bet size on your turn. The bet size does double for the turn and the river, so it's, in our case, it's 10 on the pre-flop and flop, and then 20 for the turn and river. Each player must match the opponent's bet in order for play to move on to the next round. So if you don't match it, that just means you fold. Each player must perform an action each round, so it's never the case where just one player goes in a round. Both players have to act each round. A player can fold and choose not to match the bet. That means they just forfeited the hand. A player can check if there's no money bet in the current round. A player calls when they wish to match the bet. And a player raises when they wish to bet one more bet size than the current bet, just forcing the other player to stay in the hand by calling or even raising. And then a showdown will happen if no player has folded after conclusion of the river, and then both players reveal their hands, and the player with the highest ranked 5-card poker hand wins the pot, and play moves on to the next hand with the dealer button changing possession.